A company produced two products which has the following cost and revenue functions CXY and RXY, where X and Y represent the units produced for each product. Determine the profit function and find the production level for each product that will maximize profit. So let us start with finding the profit function. Let's denote with pi x y. So we know that profit function is revenue minus with the cost function. So the revenue function is 2400x minus 2x squared plus 200y minus y squared plus xy will minus with the cost function. So I'm going to multiply the cost function with the negative here. So it's going to be negative x squared minus 600x minus y squared minus 200y plus xy. So we're going to get 1800x minus 3x squared plus 2xy minus 2y squared. So there we go with our profit function. So let us start with finding the pi sub x, which is equals to, so differentiate 1800 x with respect to x is 1800. Differentiate negative 3x squared with respect to x is negative 6x. Differentiate 2xy with respect to x is 2y. And differentiate negative 2y squared with respect to x is 0. F pi sub y, so differentiate 1800 with respect to y is 0. Differentiate negative 3x squared with respect to y is also 0. Differentiate 2xy with respect to y is 2x. Differentiate negative 2y squared with respect to y is negative 4y. Now let's equal our pi sub x and pi sub y with 0. So 2x minus 4y equals to 0, and we're going to get 2y equals to x. Let's denote this with first equation. So another one is 1800 minus 6x plus 2y equals to 0. So now we're going to substitute our 2y with x. So we're going to get 1800 minus 6x plus x equals to 0. Negative 6x plus x is negative 5x equals 2. Now bring 1800 to the right hand side is negative 1800, and x equals to 360. So now I'm going to substitute this into 1, the first equation just now. So I'm looking for y, then my y equals to 360 divided with 2 is 180. So my critical point here is 360, 180. The next step is we're going to find the second order partial derivative, pi sub xx, differentiate 1800 with respect to x is 0, differentiate negative 6x with respect to x is negative 6, differentiate 2y with respect to x is 0. So this one is negative 6. Pi sub y is differentiate 2x with respect to y is 0, differentiate negative 4y with respect to y is negative 4. Pi sub xy, now differentiate 1800 with respect to y is 0, differentiate negative 6x with respect to y is also 0, differentiate 2y with respect to y is 2. What we're going to do next is we're going to use our second order partial derivative to do some d-test, which is pi sub xx times pi sub yy minus the square of pi sub xy. So then negative 6 times negative 4 minus 2 square. So we're going to get 20. So we know that our d is positive. Now we need to check our pi sub xx, which is negative, and it is less than 0. So now it is confirmed that 360 and 180 is a maximum point. So we can make a conclusion here that 360 units of product product X, and 180 units of product Y maximize profit. So this is our level of production. So what is the maximum profit? So let us find the maximum profit by substitute our points into the profit function. So 1800 will times with 360 minus 3 times 360 square plus 2 times 360 times 180 minus 2 times 180 square. So we're going to get, don't forget to put the RM, 324,000. 324,000. So that is the maximum profit for this question.